Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change home screen layout on your LG TV. So first of all, you can rearrange apps list simply by holding down the OK button on one of the apps and then moving it somewhere else if you want to. Then you can select any other apps by short pressing the OK button and then move it to the left or to the right. Of course, to do that, you're going to have to use either left or right keys on your D-pad or using a joystick on your or wheel on your remote control. Now, if you want to accept, select close. Otherwise, select reset. You can also do that by pressing the edit apps list at the end of the list. Then, besides of that, you can also rearrange the tiles at the top of your screen. So not at the top, but you know what I mean, like music, LG Gallery, in the very same way. Just hold down the OK button on one of the tiles, and then you can move it somewhere else. If you want to hide it, just like the app, if you want to hide an app, you can navigate to this icon with the crossed eye. And if you want to add it back, then select it from the tile at the top of your screen. Then to accept settings, select close. And now if you want to rearrange all of these recommendations, you have to navigate to the very bottom of your TV screen. Then select the pencil icon right here, and then select the recommendation or the streaming service recommendation that you want to move, and then use up and down arrow key to move it, or otherwise you can also use your wheel if you have a joystick on your remote control. Then select close. And if you want to get rid of the ads and also the recommendations, the content recommendations on your TV, then go to the settings, either by navigating to the settings icon and then selecting the settings icon once again, or hold down the settings button on your remote control until all the settings appear on your screen. Then select general, then navigate to system, then select additional settings, and then go to home settings, and here you can disable home promotion, which will disable the ads at the top. And if you don't need any content recommendation, only reset inputs, then you can also switch the content recommendation toggle to the left, and now you will be left with the clean screen, home screen, without recommendations and without apps. And you can also rearrange your tiles and your apps in the order that you prefer. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.